you want to learn how to speak Igbo, and whether you're Igbo yourself or you have friends that are Igbo or you're just interested in the language, welcome. I'm going to help you basic starter sentences, okay? Hi, how are you? How are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're living life and just being yourself and being happy. So welcome to a new video. Through some basic greetings in Igbo language, and then I will go through also basic phrases or sentences that you can say if you're in a situation where you want to drop in a few little Igbo words here and there. So welcome to the video and I hope you enjoy. First and first, you're going to have your pen and paper with you, okay, because you're going to make some notes. If you want to be able to, practice the words that you see and the sentences that you see as well. So what I did last year for my cousins, I actually did this, okay? So I put some basic greetings and sentences and words that they can use, they can learn, and I can see a huge difference because even sometimes they will just be reading it and it gives me great joy to know that they are doing this. I will go through this with you as well as other stuff that I have written down on my laptop. Greeting is ekele. Ekene is basic. The Igbo is where everyone understands that. You ekene, ekele. So it depends on the dialect that you're using. So it can be different things. So how do you say hello in Igbo? Is ndewo. 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 That's how you say hello. And how do you say welcome? Is no. 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 Welcome. So I repeat it so to give you a chance to also repeat the words. So ndewo, hello. Ndewo. Ndewo. You got it. No. No. Welcome. Oh, dad. You say, how are you? How are you? You say kedu. 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 And you can go a step further to say how are you doing. You say kedu kimere. Kedu ka imere. Kedu, how are you? Kedu ka imere, how are you doing? And to respond to that, you can say I'm fine. Ademo mma. Ademo mma. Ademo mma. Ademo mma. I am good, or I am fine. Or you can say it is fine. Someone says kedu kimere. You can say it's fine, or things are going well. You can say odema, it's also the same. Odema, ademo mma. So ademo, you're personalizing your response. Odema means it's fine, it's good, like I'm good, like hey. So ademo mma means I am fine. Odema, it is fine. So, or you can say I am not fine. Adigimo mma. Adigimo mma. I am not fine. Ademo mma. Ademo mma man. Ademo mma man. A lot of ademo mma, bro. I'm joking then. Ademo mma. So that's how you say it. And if you want to also say good morning, so there is this thing I keep seeing here and there. People say good morning, they go for ototoma. I don't want to be that person. But ototoma is not. It's not the spoken Igbo that people say. You want to say good morning, you say ibolachi or isalachi. Again, depending on your dialect as well. Ibolachi, isalachi. So ututoma that people usually say is the literal translation of good morning. So ututu is morning. Oma is good. Good morning. Ututu Oma. It makes sense, right? But as a native speaker, I'm not going to tell you good morning is Ututu Oma. It's not, okay? It is Ibolachi, Isalachi, okay? But it makes sense if you want to say Ututu Oma because it's easier to remember. And if you're also learning Igbo, you're learning phrases and you formulate sentences based on the words you know, it makes sense to just go with Ututu Oma. So if that's what you chose to do, or you have chosen to do, that's great. You can take it a step further and say good afternoon, Ehihe Oma, you know. So Ehihe is afternoon, Oma is good. Ehihe Oma, good afternoon. Good evening, Mbede Oma. Mbede Oma. Mbede Oma, good afternoon. Good evening, sorry. Mbede Oma is good evening. Ehihe Oma is good afternoon. Then to say good night, you say Kachifo. Kachifo means peace out. Kachifo, good night. Ka-chi-fo. Ka-chi-fo. Kachifo, good night. And you want to say goodbye. Kemesia. Ka-emesia. Ka-emesia. To say see you later. Ka-omesia or ka-odi. Ka-odi. Kemesia. Ngahoge. Ekemesia. Ngahoge. I will see you later. That's it. And to say yes, no, you know, and all of that. So you say yes, 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 mba, no, mba, no. So someone asks you, Irelanri, have you eaten? You say Erielamori, Erielamori. Yes, I have eaten. Irielanri, mba, eribemuri. Mba, eribemuri. No, I have not eaten. Yes. Mba, no. This reminds me of GCSE French. It reminds me of so much GCSE French when we have to learn all these words and vocabularies. Oh my god. Mba, no. Yes. And to say sorry, you say ndo. Ndo. Or you say please, biko. Please, biko. 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 Or you say wait. Chere. Chere. Wait for me. Wait for me. Cheremu. Cheremu. Wait for me. I am coming. Cheremu anamabia. Cheremu anamabia. Or you can say chere nabia. Wait, I am coming. Chere nabia. Wait, I am coming. Thank you is dalo. Dalo. Or you can say emaila. Emaila. Thank you. Dalo. Dalo, thank you. Emaila is also thank you, but the literal translation means you have done well. Emaila, you have done well. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun watching, and I will see you in my next one. Okay.